Hello! Today we are going to explore one of my favorite balls of all. This is an alpha ball for releasing tension, tightness, stiff muscles. It's great for self-massaging yourself, and I'm going to show you some ways to do it. I'm Patricia Becker, and I specialize in yoga and nutrition for healthy, vibrant aging. And I have about 40 years experience of practicing yoga and nutrition and healthy lifestyle. So the alpha ball is the subject for today. First of all, you can wear any clothes you want, and you're going to sit up and get the alpha ball and put it under your glute muscle, your butt. That gets very, very tight, right? We hold a lot of tension here in this area and our IT band. So we're going to roll around. See how you roll around? And if it feels sore, pause, breathe, use your breath to make it feel okay. If it hurts too much, get off of it or go to another spot. So if these muscles in this region are too tight, they can pull on your back, causing issues and back pain. So this is a really good massage all around. This is the alpha ball, one of the many yoga tune-up balls I use and we use in our classes. Yeah, so massage around like that. Good, all around. And then you're going to do both sides. Do it as long as you want. Start with just a little bit of time, and then as you progress, you can do more. The other way is you can lay on down and put it under here so you get more to your sacrum and lower back. Massage it around, back and forth. You'll feel how tight your muscles are that you might not have even known before you put this nice rubbery 3.5-inch size ball under there and gave yourself a good massage. Oh, those muscles need it. They need it. They love it. This is your self-care. And you can go back and forth like this. Sometimes when you're massaging this area, you might get a chiropractic adjustment somewhere else in your body. You don't have to lift your head up like I am. I'm just doing it so I can see you. Make sure you're doing it right. Okay, we'll slowly roll off of that. How about your hamstrings? How are your hamstrings and your calves? I bet you have really tight calves. Most of us do. So come to your hands and knees, press the tops of your feet down, and put the alpha ball right there. And then put both hands down and slowly lean back. Slowly. So you get that right amount of pressure for you. Good calf massage. Some of the other yoga classes I teach, we use a rolled up yoga mat we do both calves. This is a little more focused. A nice way to do it with this ball. You should do this every day. Or no shoulds. I suggest you do this every day. Alpha a day keeps the doctor away. Alpha ball a day. Your hamstrings and your calves. Adjust it. Depending upon the shape of your calf, your hamstrings, your legs. Good. Breathe into it. Always use your breath. Your breath is your most intimate friend and ally. Always there supporting. And then we'll come up. Now, here's one of my favorites. You lay down. Put the alpha ball under your neck. The alpha ball is good for big muscle groups like here and here as we were using. It's also perfect for little muscles in your neck. So, pay attention. Loving awareness of what you're feeling. Start in the middle of your spine, in the middle of your neck. Yeah, and just nod yes and no. Yes and no. Do you hold tension or tightness in your neck? I think most people do. When I first did this with this alpha ball on my neck, I thought, where have you been all my life? It just releases the tension and tightness better than you can yourself or better than a masseuse can do. This is just so powerful and it feels fantastic. And then roll a little to the side. Help stimulate your vagus nerve, which is the ruler and regulator of your parasympathetic nervous system. The one part of our nervous system that helps us to release, to let go, to relax. So just go nice and easy back and forth. Oh my gosh. I hope you feel like you're in heaven when you're doing this. I do. This feels fantastic. Back and forth. And you can make the movements a little longer, a little more broad range, long range. And then you can, after you do that, you can come to one side between your ear and your occiput and your spine. Yeah. And just press. Connect to your inhale. And on your exhale, let your head, the weight of your head and your neck relax down into the alpha ball. This is great for relieving stress and tension and tightness. It just builds up going through our days. Moving from thing to thing to thing to thing, job to job. Maybe you're in traffic. Maybe you're on your computer. Maybe you're dealing with issues within your family, in your job. Let's let them go. Release. We have to take care of ourselves first before we can take care of anybody else authentically. And then you can roll around a little. So, get your alpha ball, take care of yourself, do both sides. Let me know if you have any questions in the link below, and I'll put a link below for you to order your alpha balls using my affiliate link. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day.